with the case, so keep them in the case when you're not wearing them. Too tight? And you can see good out of those?
Today we're here at Callanana and we're very excited. It's our first middle school to be receiving glasses through our Vision to Learn program. Vision to Learn is a collaboration between Des Moines Public Schools, United Way of Central Iowa, Vision to Learn nationally, Prevent Blindness Iowa, and then a whole host of community partners that have helped us raise money and find kids. We screen kids using school nurses and some volunteers from Prevent Blindness Iowa, identify kids that may need glasses that haven't received them. We bring them to a fully equipped van for a full eye screening and exam. They receive those glasses 2 weeks later.
You let me know if they're too tight.
Today I got my glasses. It was fun.
Because I have never wore glasses before, and so this is my first time wearing them. Well, I like cheetahs, and so I chose these ones when I first saw them.
It feels shaky kinda, because I haven't worn them in a long time, and I need to adjust to them.
And the great thing about Vision to Learn is they not only receive one pair of glasses, but actually two, one to keep at home and one to keep at school, so that they can make sure they have their glasses when they're in school, which we believe helps so much with their ability to get a great education.
It means a lot because before I couldn't really see and it was a struggle in class, and now like I think I'm gonna do better and don't have to go all the way up to go see the board.
Nurses and volunteers identified 88 kids at Callanana that were potentially needing glasses, and of those 88, I believe 86 are actually receiving glasses.
They're really important because if I didn't have glasses, like everything is just like blurry, so it helps me see far away.
I won't have to get the book this close.
Usually when I'm at school, I can't really see far, so I have to go in front of the class or sit on the floor. But when I have classes, I could just sit on my normal seat.
We've heard some anecdotal data from the elementary schools that we've done about dramatic reductions in behavior referrals. We heard about a young girl that went from having 30 office referrals in the previous year to having 0 in the next year, because she was able to see, be engaged in her education, and just it changed her life. So we're really pleased to bring this program to middle schools and to continue to work to expand it to all of the elementaries in DMPS and West Des Moines.
Moved around, or they can slide down your nose, I think.